Yukis! Welcome back to my video. Today's video is about another trade compilation. I apologize if I made some really bad trades here. Anyways, let's begin the video. This was an old trade, so I don't really know. WFL. Small win because and is hard to trade. Old trade again, but big win. This is an old trade. Back then it was a small overpay. Now it's a big lose. I really hate this. Like what I was even thinking. Back then it was fair. Now it's a teeny tiny overpay, but big lose in demand. Capricorn for mini pig is already a big win. I hate this. It felt like I gave away a free neon mini pig. Massive lose in history. This is a win for me. Big win. Kangaroo and CCBD is already over. Let's go. I regret this. I kinda overpaid, but I think I can make profit. Small win in value, but big win in demand. I think it was fair. WFL. I was kinda nervous here. Nice trade. This trade was from my friend. I think this was a win. WFL.